if it's like a trinity, I don't know, it's like a three beautiful combination. It's a three-way, well, how do you say that? It's like a
three-part?
Holy Ghost, no, I shouldn't say that. It's hot, hot, hot. Woo, she's dancing like crazy. Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make, I know, I'm laughing because I'm going to make cock fried rice. Yes, chicken fried rice. I love it so much, and I was reading through ingredients to see if it's legit. And typically, when I look at a fried rice recipe, I look for three things: soy sauce, scallions, and sesame oil. Yeah, it's like holy trinity when it comes to authentic Asian fried rice. First thing first, I'm going to prepare our chicken. Have you ever ordered fried rice from Chinese restaurant? They always have like thinly sliced chicken. You're like, how did they get that so thin? Well, they use this chomper. So I'm just going to hold my weight down. I'm going to season it. This is where it comes pretty handy. Salt, flip it over. Pepper, flip it over again. We have non-stick pan over medium-high heat here. Let me go ahead and just prepare my chicken. And if you don't want to dirty your hands, just use the same tongs that you were using to flip the chicken over. I can already feel the heat, and this is time to drizzle some oil. 3 tablespoons of neutral oil. I got olive oil. Oh, I like the sound of it. Once it hits the pan, just spread them apart. So this recipe doesn't ask for shallot, but in my opinion, it adds a really, really nice sweetness to it that's pretty subtle. It's sweeter than onions, so I like having shallot as our chicken's about ready. And what you're going to do is, on a separate dish, directly get the chicken off the heat, because we're not going to continue to cook the meat while we're frying the rice. And it's time to add our vegetables in. And when the shallots are about translucent, this is when I add in the rest of the vegetables. I would say about less than 30 seconds. And another trick that I have is grab a bunch of your scallions and start chopping it with scissors. I actually saw this at a restaurant. Like, I snuck behind as a kid and I saw a chef do this. I was like, oh, you know what? That's really smart. So you're looking for this crispiness of shallots and the green onions, and while that's cooking up so nicely, it is time to add our rice. 4 cups of leftover white rice. Our number 1 rule for amazing fried rice is working with cold rice. If you have to make it the night before, I would say that you do that, because you are not going to make great fried rice with just like freshly cooked white rice. And the reason being is you want the rice to be slightly dehydrated and like cold, so that when it hits the pan and the oil, it's not going to absorb all of that oil. So break the rice apart. Yes, you're gonna definitely do that. And constantly stir until every single grain of rice is evenly coated in our scallion and shallots. We got our garlic. I got this spiky point this side. I'm gonna go ahead and just prepare my garlic this way. Fantastic. Now, in the middle, add that garlic in nicely. So once it hits the pan, you gotta get really busy with it. It always needs some extra attention, don't we all? In the middle, create some room, and then what else is going to happen is now it's time to scramble our eggs. So the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. I got about a half teaspoon sesame oil here, and I'm going to put that in the middle. And this is when I reduce the heat down to low. Start cracking one. And just scramble this real quickly. Eggs also cook really fast. Cooking it 30 more seconds, it's already like overcooked. Arguably like 5 seconds. So we're gonna get busy with this. Season it with salt in the middle, pepper. While the eggs are cooking, the outer ring of the rice, this is when I add in nice soy sauce. And then it's time to bring everything together. So all the rice that was hanging out on the outside, now they're invited to the egg party. I also like working with 2 spoons when I'm frying up the rice. My secret ingredient is a tablespoon of butter for extra flavor. And let them melt in the middle. Always bring that in and then spread it thinly across. Always bring it in. That's #1 rule. And there we are. Our final step is our beautiful fried chicken. Gosh, it is like better than the takeout. When you make this, let me know how it turns out. If you're looking for more new videos of recipes, please subscribe below and hit the bell button for new alerts. Thank you for watching.